Hi guys, it's Sarah and Freya here, back for another installment of JAMM. Now you might be excited, you see us both here with foam rollers, but unfortunately this drill that we're about to take you through is not really using the foam roller to massage, but we are still going to take you through a great stretch. So we're going to take you through the Bretzel. This is a great stretch that can help loosen up all the areas at the front of your body, so your chest, your trunk, your quads and all the muscles at the front of your leg. So Freya's going to help us demonstrate this morning. So Freya, can I get you to lie down please? And we'll show you how the foam rollers can be used to help you stay comfortable in this drill. So Freya's used her first foam roller to support her head, which is a great idea. I'm going to place the other one up to the side here for her to gently place her knee on as well. So this is step one. So for some of you, again, this might be enough of a drill to feel a bit of a stretch. But if you can, the next few steps will make it that little bit more effective. So I'm going to help Freya now bend her knee. If you can, you're going to hold that knee with your hand. For those of you that can't reach, we often, in the clinic, get people to use a strap, or you can use a skipping rope or a tie or something that you've got at home to help you loop that foot if you're a little bit more restricted. But if you can grab it with your hand, that's what we recommend. And now what Freya's going to do is to start to take some nice deep breaths and breathe out. And you'll see that as she breathes out, she's making a great effort to rotate her body and open it up. Her legs stay still. So to get the most out of your Bretzel, once your legs are set up, you want to keep them in the same position. And the rotation comes from your trunk, your upper body. And once you feel you get to your end point, it's a great position to just stay, take some nice deep breaths. Your muscles will benefit from some time spent in this position to loosen up. So that's our Bretzel. We think this is a great drill. Yes, we know it's a bit tricky to get into the position, but I don't know if you can see Freya's face, but she looks very relaxed and very happy now. So I hope you've enjoyed our Bretzel, and we'll see you in the next installment of JAMM.